Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we are learning about a damselfish, so anybody out there that's a beginner watching this and wants just a really hardy fish to get with some good color on them, this is the one to get. This is all about the lemon damselfish, also known as the gold damselfish. Prices on them, you shouldn't spend any more than $5 to $10 on them. Damsels tend to be relatively cheap. Tank size, you will need a 30 gallon. 30 gallons is a pretty prime saltwater tank to get for people that do not want to get a large one, but if you do want to put more than one in there, I would recommend getting a bigger tank. Care level, he is super easy to take care of. Like I said, he is very hardy, easy to get to feed. Temper, he is semi-aggressive. He is a damsel, so he tends to get more aggressive the older he gets, so definitely watch out for that. A lot of people have had to take them out of their tank after a while, keep them in there, because they were just too territorial over everything. Reef Compatible, definitely yes, he's just a damselfish. You shouldn't have any problem with him picking at your corals. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78. 78 is your best. That's what you really want to go for. That's what the ocean's feeling like. DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.020 to 1.025. 2324 is like right on the dot. Diet, they are omnivore. A damsel is going to pretty much eat anything you put in the tank. Feed them flakes, pellets, frozen cubes like mysis and brine shrimp. And even if you have a tang in there and you start feeding him algae, this dude will probably run up there and peck some off for himself. You'd be really surprised about a damsel. Max size 3 inches. Nothing too big, good little size damsel. Compatibility, just ask if you do want to put more than one in a tank. I definitely recommend getting an odd number group, because for some reason if you put them in even number groups, they tend to fight each other off until there's an odd number. It's very weird. We've had to split them up in our tanks up at the shop. Color is that really nice gold yellow color. He tends to get a little bit darker color as he gets older, but still he stays really pretty. Origin, they are captive bred. One of the biggest breeders of them is Ora, R-O-R-A. That's pretty much where you're going to be getting them from if you do order some of these guys. But other than that, it's pretty short and simple. Damsels aren't too hard to learn about. Pretty easy to feed, easy to take care of, and they're really hardy. So they definitely can survive the cycle that you're running in your tank if you just want something in there to run around in. But other than that, that's your lemon damselfish. Hope y'all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later.